Hi guys, Alpha Wolf here. I'm going to teach you guys something very interesting. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you see a TikTok video, you want to download it and the save button is not there? Or you've tried downloading a TikTok video and there's a watermark. In today's video, I'm going to teach you step by step, very fast, how you can download a TikTok video without any watermark, very fast on your mobile device. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit the subscribe button if you find value in this video. So let's head over to the tutorial, guys. Alright, so this is how you do it. You're going to come to your TikTok app. Alright, let's assume you want to download this particular video on TikTok, this motivational video without watermark. I'm going to click on this arrow button. I'm going to click on copy link. Right, on TikTok you can actually save this video if you want to. There's a place called save video. Okay, this video they do not allow you to save. There's some videos that they allow you to save that you can download directly to your phone. But if you want to download any video without watermark, when you copy the link, like I've showed you here, you just come here, you copy the link. When you copy this link, you're going to go to your browser. You go to your phone browser, and I'm going to show you where you're going to download the video from, and watermark would not be there. Search for Snaptik, SNAIP, tick. Right, so just click. Right, the first one, snaptik.app, is the one. You click on it, then you're going to paste that link in this place and click on download. Some advert may want to pop up. If you just focus on the video you want to download, you're going to see download server 2, download with app Snaptik. Just click on the download. Right, you close this advert and open the video. So you guys are going to see the video now. Now the video has downloaded.
Don't tell your dreams to everybody. Your dreams will attract you.
So you can see this video has been downloaded, no watermark at all on this video. So this way we can now work with this video to do whatever we want to do. If you want to re-upload it on another platform, but the most important thing is that we've downloaded this video, right? So that is how you download from TikTok without any watermark or any TikTok icon, right? That subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on.